Cardano pioneer Charles Hoskinson gives his interpretation of the Twitter circumstance, saying Musk moved excessively fast, and presently he thinks twice about it. In any case, what does that have to do with Cardano value expectation? Indeed, trust is the central concern with most crypto networks, as well as crypto trades. Public trust develops as originators show dependability and better than average. Once more, the crypto market is working in the chasm of vulnerability, following the overflow on the FTX digital money trade and the bond endeavor of a takeover by Binance. The whole disaster began after Binance's CZ communicated questions about the trustworthiness of Alameda Research, an exchanging subsidiary of FTX. The tweet from CZ ignited a craze among financial backers, which prompted the outpouring of billions of dollars in crypto resources from the trade. How do Cardano value expectation experts direct in this fierce crypto climate? For the Cardano organization, it's the same old thing as its biggest NFT commercial center, JPG Store, tweeted another local area achievement. What is Cardano? Cardano is the natural surroundings for the ADA digital currency, for the most part used to send and get advanced reserves, making direct exchanges quick and conceivable through cryptography. More than being a cryptographic money, an innovative stage assists run the monetary applications people and foundations with utilizing around the world. The stage is being developed in layers that consider delicate fork overhauls. Cardano blockchain likewise runs decentralized applications and administrations that any outsiders don't control. This is the first blockchain project planned by a worldwide group of specialists and can be executed on strategic frameworks like aviation and banking applications. Cardano is one of the greatest digital forms of money on the planet, so in this video, we will examine Cardano's cost and future prospects. The Cardano establishment has likewise pronounced the send-off of the last adaptation of the Alonzo testnet, which will highlight savvy contracts on the stage. The new overhaul is named Alonzo White, and with this delivery, financial backers are drawn to Cardano. Alongside this, the coin was additionally added to the Grayscale Trust, and there are a lot of allies of Cardano like eToro. Attributable to the public's expanded interest in Cardano and shrewd agreements, the association behind the Cash Info Result Hong Kong has turned up the Alonzo Purple testnet. The onboarding system has previously been started, and the testnet will be made live once finished. It was made by Charles Hoskinson, ex-Ethereum Prime supporter, and is viewed as a third-age blockchain behind any semblance of Bitcoin and Ethereum. It was sent off back in 2017 to rival Ethereum. The coin assumed control over the number 3 spot after Ethereum, after blockchain innovation organization IOHK engineers of Cardano ADA reported the date for the Alonzo hard fork on the Cardano mainnet. Alonzo turned out to be live on the Cardano network on September 13, 2021. Which could prompt a flood in Cardano costs. Cardano ADA value expectation 2023. As per our Cardano cost expectation for 2023, ADA's most extreme cost is anticipated to reach 66 cents. The most minimal cost is assessed to be 56 cents, with a typical exchanging cost of 57 cents. Factors that might affect ADA's cost in 2023: remember, a flood for revenue, by and large improvement in the crypto market, and progressions in the Cardano organization. Cardano ADA value expectation 2024. Our top-to-bottom investigation of Cardano for the year 2024 shows that the cost of ADA is probably going to encounter significant development, arriving at a limit of 95 cents. In view of current market patterns and verifiable execution, our Cardano cost expectation for 2024 expects a base ADA cost of 82 cents and a typical cost of 85 cents. Cardano value expectation 2025. Our Cardano cost forecast for 2025 shows that the ADA token is ready for huge development with an extended greatest cost of $1.44. Our investigation proposes that the coin will exchange for just $1.11 with a typical market cost of $1.15. Moreover, Cardano's expanded spotlight on WEB3 and non-fungible tokens, two of the most encouraging patterns in the crypto world, could decidedly influence the cost of ADA. Cardano value expectation 2026. The Cardano cost forecast for 2026 proposes a greatest cost of $1.97, at least $1.53, and a typical market cost of $1.57. As the Cardano stage proceeds to develop and grow its contributions, we anticipate that the interest for ADA should increment, driving the coin's cost higher. Specifically, huge headways in the fields of brilliant agreement capacities, decentralized money, and protection-centered exchanges are undeniably expected to assume a part in supporting the reception and by and large worth of the Cardano biological system. Cardano Value Expectation 2027. Cardano Cost Expectation for 2027 shows an inspirational perspective for the coin, with specialists anticipating a pinnacle market cost of $2.63. Our examination recommends that the base cost of ADA will be $2.27, with a typical market cost of $2.33. We expect critical progressions in decentralized money and security-centered exchanges, which could additionally drive the reception and worth of ADA. Cardano Value Expectation 2028. Our Cardano Cost Forecast for 2028 tasks a greatest market cost of $3.86, with a typical cost of $3.35, and at least $3.26. As the stage proceeds to develop and draw in additional clients, we anticipate the worth of the Cardano environment, and likewise, the cost of ADA, to keep on rising. Cardano Value Expectation 2029. As indicated by our Cardano Cost Forecast for 2029, we expect a promising future for the ADA token. Our specialists have extended a greatest cost of $5.54, with a base value gauge of $4.57 and a typical exchanging cost of $4.73. A few key elements, including the proceeded with development and extension of the Cardano environment and expanding interest for the ADA token, will drive an inspirational perspective for the coin. Cardano Value Expectation 2030. Our group of specialists predicts a splendid future for the ADA coin in the impending year, with the chance of another buyer market not too far off. Our Cardano Cost Expectation for 2030 is hopeful, with an extended most extreme cost of $7.82, outperforming the ongoing all-time high of the coin. Our Cardano Cost Expectation likewise incorporates a typical exchanging value gauge of $6.62 and a base cost of $6.38. Notwithstanding the potential buyer market, a few different elements are supposed to add to the development of the ADA token in 2030. These incorporate the proceeded with advancement and extension of the Cardano blockchain, expanding interest in decentralized money, and reception of the stage by organizations and people the same. Cardano Value Expectation 2031. Our Cardano Cost Forecast for 2031 predicts a potential most extreme market cost of $10.94, with an expected typical cost of $9.43. The base projected cost is $9.10. On the off chance that a financial backer were to purchase Cardano tokens and clutch them long haul, a profit from venture return on initial capital investment of 4,153.51% could be understood. Cardano Value Expectation 2032. Our Cardano Cost Forecast for 2032 shows that the ADA coin is ready to arrive at new levels. In light of our examination of market patterns and headways in the Cardano biological system, we guess that the greatest market cost of the ADA coin will be $15.96. Moreover,